Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make baked pasta. So the ingredients that I'm gonna be using is pasta. I don't know which pasta I'm gonna use, like I want to use to bake, but I'm gonna use a little bit of spiral, I think, and also a little bit of spaghetti in a different bowl, of course, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of both of these. So for the sauces, I'm gonna be using sauce spaghetti, traditional, and also a little bit of tomato puree. I'm also going to be using a canned button mushroom, and I'm going to use bell peppers. This is yellow bell pepper and this is red bell pepper. Also onion, this is yellow onion, and also we have minced meat. And I'm going to be using olive oil, and we're going to be using oregano for the sauce. And I'm going to put a little bit of whipping cream. And whipping cream in the box, okay, and then a little bit, and no, I think I'm gonna use a lot of mozzarella, so because this is gonna be a big pasta. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna heat up the pot and we're going to put olive oil in it. We're just really going to use a lot of olive oil. Pretty much gonna finish all of it. I mean, I got some left, like I got a little bit left, and I'm gonna finish it. So that much of olive oil. So we are going to put onion, I'm gonna finish it. So, and then we are going to we're going to stir it lightly until the aroma rises, and then after this we're going to put the meat. So we are going to put our minced meat right now. Okay. We're going to just separate them, incorporate the onion and the oil and the minced meat with it. This is going to take a while, so we're going to close the lid. Actually, I didn't even close it. I didn't even cover the lid. I want to look at it cook, you know. I want to see the minced meat cooking. So from time to time, you're going to have to stir. So, can you see the meat water? We're going to throw it out a bit later. So I think for the meat, you know you will know when it's cooked after like 10 minutes or so, like more than 10 minutes probably. It really depends on your heat. Like I'm using this heat. So yeah, and then the water. Look! Oh my God, my phone camera is steep. So the water of the meat, we're going to throw it out. I'm going to toss it after this. So I have tossed out the minced meat water, so it doesn't taste like very meaty, you know. So I'm gonna put button mushroom, and then I'm really just going to put every single thing in it: vegetables, tomato, and bell peppers. So yeah, and then we're going to mix them. So we're going to mix them before we pour our sauces, our bolognese sauce. So we're just going to stir a bit, and then we're going to pour our sauce spaghetti, traditional. Okay, so we are going to pour our sauce spaghetti, traditional, the whole jar of it. And we are going to put a little bit of water in here. So I put already water in it, so we are just going to pour it. Look, the jar is clean. So after that, we are going to mix them all. Mix, mix, mix. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Yum, yum. It smells so good. It smells so good. Look at the bubbling. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of tomato puree. I mean, according to your taste, it really is like up to you. You want to put how much? I'm going to put that much, and I'm going to put a little bit of water. And we're going to pour it, and we're going to mix and stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. Mix all together so that the taste will combine and make it a beautiful meal. Beautiful dish. After that, we're going to put oregano. Oregano. We'll shower this sauce with oregano. And then mix them, make it aromatic. So we're going to pour a little bit of sugar. Mix, mix, mix. At this point, you can taste it. If you want to put salt, how much salt you want to put, how much sugar you want to put, or just like, I don't think we need to put a lot of salt. I don't think, because we have the sauce in from the jar. So yeah. So we are going to pour some whipping cream. Woohoo! And this will make it creamy. So we're gonna mix, 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 and the sauce will turn light red, and yeah, it will be creamy, and that's what I love about it. Mix, mix, mix. Look at the sauce. It has turned light in color, and it has thickened a little bit because we have the thickening agent, which is whipping cream. Mix, mix, mix. And continue mixing. Make sure to preheat your oven beforehand. So make it like 180 or more than that. I'm preheating it at 220, but then when it has been preheated, you can turn it to 180 and then put it on the up and down mode. And yeah, I put it at 60 minutes, but really
maximum temperature.
Okay, so basically this is a small oven, as you can see, so I'm using the highest temperature, up and down, yeah, and 60 minutes. Like I said, you can taste your sauce, whether you want to put sugar, salt. I'm putting a little bit of salt, just a tiny bit. Okay, that's enough, and we're gonna mix them. And basically our sauce is almost done. I'm just gonna stir it for like 2 minutes and we're done. Our pasta is ready. I mean, our pasta has been boiled and drained, and also our sauce is ready. So our Pyrex is ready. We are going to pour a little bit of drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just like that. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just like that, and we're going to put our pasta on it, also our sauce. So I already put the spaghetti in this one, and then spiral pasta or fusilli in this one. So I'm gonna pour the sauce. So I'm gonna pour our sauce. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, yummy. Okay, next one, spaghetti. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to mix the sauce with the pasta. Just lightly mix them like that. Yep. After this, we're going to put mozzarella on top. So we're going to mix it well. Yep, just like that. Okay, do it for the spiral pasta as well. Just gonna mix it thoroughly. Mix it, and then I'm going to cut this mozzarella and place it on top of the pasta. So I already cut my mozzarella, so I'm going to place it here on top of the pasta. Really just scattered. Okay. So we're just going to like be creative, not really creative. It's really just put the mozzarella all over the pasta. Really just like that. Okay. And then also for the spaghetti, don't forget to put it on spaghetti. I'm focusing on the center because I really like the center. I like it to be bubbly, sizzling. And okay, so we are just going to continue put it on top of the pasta with mozzarella so that it become mozzarella. So it'll become cheesy and yummy, and yeah. So yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that, and just like that. Okay, yep. All right, so I'm going to put this in the oven that has been preheated. So we are going to put a little bit of mozzarella shredded all over here in this pot. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And do the same here. So it's done. I mean, I already put a lot of mozzarella in here as well. So I'm going to put it in the oven right now. So I put it in the oven. So I really don't know at what heat, at what like temperature needs to be cooked. So I'm just gonna put it on the highest temperature, and I'm gonna just look at it and like check it out from time to time. So yeah, I'm gonna close it. Mozzarella is dancing and breathing.